Imagine a life where you flow effortlessly through challenges, embracing change with grace and resilience. Alan Watts' timeless wisdom on letting go unlocks this powerful transformation, offering a unique perspective on how to achieve inner peace and live with purpose in today's fast paced world. The constant pressure to achieve and the relentless pursuit of happiness can leave us feeling overwhelmed and drained. It's in these moments that the profound wisdom of thinkers like Alan Watts becomes our guiding light. Watts, renowned for his insightful teachings on Eastern philosophy and its practical application in our lives, offers a transformative approach to one of humanity's age-old struggles: the art of letting go. This video is your sanctuary, a space where you can unwind, reflect, and discover new perspectives. Our mission is to empower your personal growth journey by bringing you the most insightful, transformative content from the brightest minds across the globe. Join us as we explore the depths of human potential, the mysteries of the universe, and the power of letting go with Alan Watts. Have you ever noticed how we tend to create unnecessary complications in our lives? Picture this. You're driving to work, and suddenly a minor traffic delay transforms into a full-blown stress fest. You find yourself gripping the steering wheel, tension building up in your shoulders. But what if, instead of cursing the traffic, you chose to see it as an unexpected opportunity to practice patience? This small shift in perspective can have a profound impact on your overall will. This tendency to complicate our lives stems from our insatiable need to exert control over every aspect of our existence. We want to dictate when we'll be happy, successful, or at ease. But here's the paradox. By trying so desperately to control everything, we often end up causing ourselves more suffering than joy. Enter Alan Watts' groundbreaking idea that challenges this deeply ingrained notion of control. According to Watts, the belief that we can truly control every outcome and circumstance is an illusion. It's a mirage that beckons us towards it, promising happiness and fulfillment, only to leave us parched and empty-handed. So what then is the solution to this age-old struggle between our desire for control and the unpredictable nature of life? Watt's answer lies in the concept of letting go. But this is no ordinary surrender. It's not about giving up or resigning to fate. Rather, it's about recognizing the futility of trying to control everything and embracing the beauty of life's natural flow. Just as a surfer yields to the rhythm of the waves, surrender to the ebb and flow of the ocean's embrace, we too can learn to navigate the ups and downs of life with grace and ease. When we let go of the need to control every outcome, we free ourselves from the shackles of stress and anxiety. Suddenly, challenges become opportunities for growth, setbacks turn into stepping stones, and mistakes transform into valuable lessons. The path ahead may still be filled with uncertainties, but now we walk it with the newfound lightness of being ready to embrace whatever comes our way with open arms. Now, you might be wondering, how do we practically apply this concept of letting go in our daily lives? How do we break free from the clutches of control and step into the liberating realm of surrender? Fear not, for Watts has some simple yet profound advice to share. The first step, as Watts suggests, is to cultivate a deep sense of awareness and presence in every moment. When we pay attention to the here and now, we anchor ourselves to reality and free ourselves from the clutches of worry and anxiety. It's in this liminal space between thoughts, between the ebb and flow of our emotions, that we discover the stillness within. It's in this stillness that we find the strength to let go. But simply being aware of the present moment is not enough. Watts encourages us to dive deeper, to explore the depths of our consciousness and uncover the root causes of our suffering. He invites us to ask fundamental questions that challenge our perception of reality. What are we attached to? What do we fear losing? And why do we think we need to control everything? By delving into the depths of our thoughts and emotions, we begin to unravel the tangled threads of our suffering and pave the way for true inner peace. As we continue our journey of self-discovery, Watts encourages us to release all attachments that causes pain or distress. He reminds us that while attachments may seem to offer temporary solace, they ultimately lead to suffering. Whether it's our attachment to material possessions, social status, or even our own beliefs and opinions. Watts urges us to examine these attachments and determine if they are truly serving us or holding us back. One powerful tool Watts offers us in this process of detachment is the practice of mindfulness. By anchoring ourselves to the present moment and observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment, we gain clarity and perspective. Mindfulness allows us to see our attachments for what they are: mental constructs that can either serve us or hinder our spiritual growth. While the journey of letting go is deeply personal, Watts also reminded us that we're not alone. Wisdom shared is wisdom multiplied. Whether through teachers, conversations, or quiet reflection with others, we learn together how to release and return to peace. He emphasized the value of seeking guidance from teachers and engaging in dialogues with those who have walked similar paths. By learning from others, sharing our experiences, and embracing different perspectives, we enrich our understanding of letting go and its transformative power. In conclusion, the essence of Watt's teachings on letting go lies in our ability to surrender to the flow of life. By releasing our desperate need for control, we free ourselves from the shackles of suffering and open the doors to a more joyful and fulfilling existence. As we embrace the uncertainty of life with open arms, we discover a profound sense of inner peace and resilience. So, my friends, let us take the wisdom of Alan Watts to heart and put it into practice in our everyday lives. Let us find solace in the rhythm of the universe, knowing that we are part of a greater whole. As we continue to navigate the complexities of life, may we remember to let go, to surrender, and to trust in the beauty of the present moment. May your days be filled with the transformative power of letting go. Remember, you hold the power to shape your own destiny. The choices you make today will echo through eternity, shaping not only your future, but also the lives of those around you. So choose wisely, choose courageously, and choose to live a life that reflects your deepest values and aspiration. If this message touched something within you, explore more Alan Watts' wisdom with us. Each video is crafted as a small sanctuary for your soul. Until next time, may your journey be filled with wonder, clarity, and the art of letting go.